Hi, I'd like to show you number one app that pay you $300 or more in PayPal money for free. Yes, this is the best way to earn PayPal money fast. Yes, but you do not need to do anything. You have to just follow my instructions step by step and you are good to go with your money making goal. But before that, welcome to another episode of Moneyhorn. This is Dash from Moneyhorn. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you are always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. So today I would like to show you a really good app that can give you $300 or more in PayPal money for free. And let's jump back into the action that I'm going to show you right now. The site name is irazoo.com. irazoo.com is a great site to get to earn money and thousands of money per day. You can see that they have paid more than $130 million, and this is really great. What you have to do, I also going to pay you for downloading apps. You can watch videos, they have some surveys, you can complete some offers as well, and obviously you can just play games there to earn money from irazoo. I'm really impressed how they perform and how they work, but this is a really good earning opportunity that is featured on Yahoo, CNN and most of the top tier media around the world. So irazoo definitely works and pays. So if you join there, this is a 3-step. You just fill in the joining form and you're good to go and you're registered. Then you start earning money by doing various tasks that they offer, and you get points for that, and you choose those points to get redeemed as a reward to your bank account or PayPal or any way you like. So you can also visit this video here that explains the work process, how they works and how they pay and what you have to do every day. But let me tell you that these apps, downloading, watching videos, paid survey, complete offer, please don't go. This is really, I know this is not going to pay you much money. As I have told you, $300 or more, this is not going to work like that. You can earn money definitely from watching videos, doing survey, completing offer, playing games, but the amount is minimum, so it takes times to adds up, and it takes more work from you to get money, a decent amount of money. So what is the trick? Let me show you. Just wait watching till the end of this video, and I'm going to show you how you can get thousands of views to your work. Then I'm going to show you the way you can earn more money from irazoo.com. So the thing is, if you scroll down to the bottom of this page, and you can see that they have earn points section here, and where you can see that there are refer friends section. Wait, you just don't go away. Referring friend, I know this is a tedious work. If you have to market it, you have to tell anywhere, social media accounts. No, you do not need to do that. I'm going to show you a way which is much more easier, and you get thousands of views daily to your view just posting there. I'm going to show you that, so please stay tuned with this video and keep watching. This is not like other videos. So if you click on refer friends, then this page will show up the irazoo referral program, where they are saying that if you refer a friend, and that person will get extra 500 points just for accepting your invitation. So when they reach out to 1000 points, and then boom, you get 100 to 500 points for that person. And this is a really good and win-win situation for you, and these points will adds up more faster using this refer friends program and using my strategy. Just I'm going to show you right now. And but before that, you have to register with irazoo.com. So what you have to do, you just click on start referring here, this button, and you just they will show you the sign up form, and you can connect your Facebook, you can join with your Facebook account. But if you want, you can use your own email, name and password, and hit create account button, and you are good to go with irazoo.com. Then this dashboard will show what you have to do, some simple task and verification mail, your profile question, and upload profile image, and see some videos to get started with irazoo. Then they will give you a referral link option that will boost your earning in irazoo.com, definitely, just by follow what I say. So if you complete this task, you will get your referral link. So this is the first part of this strategy, to get the referral link from irazoo and then move on to the strategy. So you know it already. I'm going to go to pexels.com. Pexels.com, you know it, is a really good photos and video database that are copyright free, royalty free. You can use those photos and videos everywhere, everywhere you use. You do not have to attribute to the creator. So all you have to do is just move on to their video section, and here it is. Move on to the video section and search for like money and related to business, like money, business, finance, make money online, cash, anything like that, earn money online, relate all those money related keywords. You can search it on Pexels video section. So for instance, I search it like money here. So when I search money, they showing all the money related videos, the stock videos that are royalty free and easy to use to any of your projects and works, and no attribution required from your side. So let's, for example, if I click on the if I select this video, all you have to do, just click this arrow, down arrow button, and this video is going to get downloaded to your PC, and you can work with that. So okay, this is the second part of it. You pick some videos, download it to your PC, and what to do next. So the important part is right now getting traffic to irazoo.com referral program, right? So irazoo.com referral program, what is the relation to Pexels video? So let me show you the new platform that you have already know, but it's getting popular day by day, and that is imager.com, if I am correct. And this is a really good site right now that is getting popular day by day. According to the similarweb.com, this imager site, imager.com site has more than 250 million viewers every month, which is really a big population, big crowd, big traffic that you can work with. So what you have to do, just when you click on sign up, this form will show up, and you can just select your username, email, password, and your phone number, and you hit next, and you are registered with Imager. Also, you can register with your Facebook account, Twitter, Apple, Google, or Yahoo email accounts as well. So all you have to do is register there, and you are good to go. When you move on to the home page of Imager, and then you can see that there is a new post button right after the logo, and you can hit it to post new content to this Imager site. So when you click on new post, this page show up, and it's asking for you to drag and drop the images or photos or videos, you can select it or browse it from your PC. So if for instance I have downloaded this video right here, this money video from right here, so I select it from my PC right now, and you can see that it's showing that it will remove the audio or keep the audio. So as it is, you do not need audio, but you can keep the audio. No matter what you select, they are going to upload the video with audio or without it, and you just wait couple of minutes and you will show something like this. But I have already filled some text here, but it will not show the text in the first place. So all you have to do, just follow my instruction here exactly, so you can get much more traffic than as usual. So you give a title of this like this: get paid for every free videos you watch. So this is a very important part, and this is the title. You can name it, you can rename it, rewrite your own words, and always think about a very catchy title that people are going to get interested to. So this is my example here. And then in the bottom section of the video, you write like, sign up to iRazu for free and use my referral code to get 500 points for free and to redeem your cash. So when you get the referral code from iRazu.com, you just give the referral code here and you say that this is my referral code, and use my referral code to get 500 points for free and redeem your cash right now, like something like that, which is catchy title and catchy description that people are going to love, and people are going to get interested to sign up to this through your referral code. And this is what you actually need to get money from iRazu.com. And the more important part is you in the right section of tags, you select all the business related, finance related tags here, like money, finance, business, wealth, and you can add 5 tags here. So if I click on here and write make money online, and when you hit enter, it will get accepted as a tags, and you can see 5 tags are filled up, and you are really good to go. And you post to, make sure you post to the community, not hidden. You have to post it to Imgur.com community. You know it, there is a 250 million peoples in this Imgur community, which is really great. But not those 250 million people are not going to watch your post or video, but at least if you post regularly, if you download all the videos and post catchy titles, all the videos from Pexels which are free to use, and then download it and upload it to Imgur and write a catchy title and very great looking description and title that people are going to love, and then post those to your community, to the Imgur community. So those, among those 250 million viewers, hundreds and thousands of people are definitely going to watch this post, and they will get interested to join iRazu.com using your referral code, cause who doesn't love free money? So this is the way you work regularly. You go to Pexels, search for new videos like this, and upload it to Imgur.com using your referral code, and you are really good to go with iRazu.com. And iRazu.com going to give you money when your referred persons get into 1,000 points, and you're really good to go. This will definitely adds up very quick. This is a really solid strategy that going to get you or give you lots of money. And you can see they have paid thousands and thousands of dollars to the members of iRazu.com every day. So guys, this is the method. you have to be active. Money will follow you. You just follow my exact instructions every day and just do your regular work. I am sure you will definitely get more than $300 in PayPal money, and this is the real strategy of it. So guys, if you are not subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching.